at this hotel here in Kenosha.
Hey, buddy, do you need the card? Oh, you're good? Okay. Okay, cool. Alright. Alright, see you.
Oh, we're going somewhere. Oh, cool. Go to the top anyway. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I can get back in now. I don't want to lose the elevator. Stopping at 4. Going down?
Yes.
Are you trying to get to the crow's nest?
I'm just getting a project on the elevator. I'm just interested in elevators.
Sweet.
Have a nice day. Oh, I guess key required for floors 2, 3, 4. Huh. It said call lock, but it went there anyway. Interesting. Anyway, that will be all.